Hello, my name is Francis Sullivan. I'm a student at Purdue's Multidisciplinary Engineering School with a concentration in general engineering. I joined the program in fall of 2017, transferring from mechanical engineering, and I expect to graduate in fall of 2018. After I graduate, I will work at NASA's Dryden Flight Test Research Facility in Edwards Air Force Base near LA in California. This semester, one of the classes that I took was IDE 301, which is a professional prep, ethics, and learning styles class. One of the most important things that we covered in IDE 301 was resume building. We talked about basics such as how to set up a LinkedIn profile, the correct formatting for a resume, and sorts of interview etiquette that should be respected. But to me, one of the most important things that I took from IDE 301 was about having an interview persona. This persona is confident, inquisitive, and focused on the value that I could potentially bring to a hiring employer. I do this by focusing on specific projects that I've undertaken in the past and using industry jargon as well as specific programs and methods that I used to achieve my goals. This could be something such as using SolidWorks FEA to analyze the bolts in a wind tunnel test stand, or overseeing ramp up to production with an international and multidisciplinary team. Covering this has really improved my elevator pitch and preparation for common questions that I receive about my resume, and has really helped myself sell myself to employers. The second most important thing that we covered in IDE 301 was team functionality and personality types. We took the Myers-Briggs Personality Indicator test and found our own personality type. We then reflected upon personal and professional times where we've had to interact with other Myers-Briggs personality types and how they went well and how they went poorly. Modern day teams in the workplace are diverse by design, and so it is important to be able to communicate with several types of backgrounds, personality types, and thinkers. Personally, this helped me by realizing that at some point I'm going to be on a team full of people who have very different backgrounds, engineering approaches, and priorities than I do. I'm going to have to find agreeable solutions with these people and develop long-term working relationships with them. The key to these successful working relationships is to assess my coworkers' personality types and tailor my interactions with them to minimize headbutting and maximize productivity. When I look to my professional future, I see myself working on cutting-edge technologies that will require a multidisciplinary team in order to understand it. I want to work on new technologies that are the stuff of science fiction right now, so there are currently no disciplines that focus on them. I will have to combine my skills and the knowledge and skills of many of my peers to achieve the goal of producing new technology that is novel and helpful to humanity. MD has helped prepare me for this, and IDE 301 specifically, by teaching me to deal with other disciplines, personality types, and backgrounds. If I could give any word of advice to a potential MDE student, I would tell them that MD has an amazing breadth of educational tools at your disposal, but it's up to you to use them. There are professional outreach programs, such as with GM, and classes dedicated to teaching you about technologies such as CAD modeling. But at the end of the day, it is up to you to find these programs as well as sign up for them and participate in them. That's a summary of the things that I learned in IDE 301 as part of my MDE degree. Thank you.